Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to save money, and my secret weapon has been the Rocket Money app. I've used it for a while now, and in this video, I'm sharing my best, straight-to-the-point tips on how I've used it to significantly lower my monthly bills. No fluff, just results. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is the subscription exterminator. This is probably the app's most famous feature, and for good reason. Before Rocket Money, I was hemorrhaging cash on services I barely used, a streaming service from a trial I forgot, a random monthly software charge. My experience, the app instantly linked to my bank accounts and showed me every single recurring charge. It was shocking. I used its built-in tool to cancel 3 forgotten subscriptions right from the app. That one move instantly saved me about $35 a month. The action: connect your accounts and immediately review the subscriptions tab. Don't just look, cancel what you don't use. Tip number 2, use the bill negotiation service. This is where I saw the biggest savings. I was skeptical at first, but I gave it a shot with my ridiculously high internet bill. My experience: I uploaded a photo of my bill through the app. Rocket Money's team, their concierge, took over. They called my provider, waited on hold, and negotiated a lower rate for me. I didn't have to talk to anyone. They successfully knocked $20 off my monthly internet bill for the next 12 months. They take a cut of the savings, but for me, the convenience and the long-term saving were totally worth it. The action: don't pay bills at face value. Submit your high bills, cable, internet, cell phone, to the negotiation service. The worst they can say is no. Tip number 3 is leveraging the automated savings and the simple spending tracker for budgeting. Lowering bills isn't just about the services you pay for, it's about how you spend your money overall. My experience: Rocket Money tracks my spending and visually categorizes it. This made it brutally clear I was spending way too much on dining out. It wasn't a bill, but it was a massive drain. By seeing the data, I naturally started cutting back. I also set up a smart savings goal in the app, which automatically tucks away small amounts of money when it knows I can afford it, avoiding those pesky overdrafts. The action: regularly check your spending trends and set up a budget within the app. Then, turn on the smart savings feature to automatically lower your need to dip into your main accounts. So, to recap my personal best Rocket Money tips for lower bills: 1. Ruthlessly cancel unused subscriptions. 2. Submit a high utility bill for negotiation. And 3. Use the spending insights to trim variable costs. I went from feeling overwhelmed to having a clear, actionable plan, and my bank account is thanking me for it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these straight-to-the-point tips help you save some serious cash. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more personal finance and productivity tips. See you in my next video.